Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles. Today, we have something special: the 2025 Honda Accord. The legendary midsize sedan is back, and it's better than ever. But is it still the king of the segment? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything you need to know. The Honda Accord has always been known for its classy yet sporty design, and for 2025, Honda has refined it even further. The first thing you'll notice is the striking front grille, now wider and more aggressive. The sharp LED headlights give it a futuristic touch, making it look like something straight out of a concept car. The fastback-style roofline adds a premium, coupe-like stance. The side profile is sleek with strong character lines, giving it an aerodynamic and dynamic feel. The rear features wraparound LED taillights that blend seamlessly into the trunk. New for 2025, the SE trim replaces the EX, featuring blacked-out accents, 17-inch black alloy wheels, black mirror caps, and a black shark fin antenna. Honda didn't just tweak the design. They made sure the Accord turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the difference. The 2025 Accord has one of the best interiors in its class. Honda has focused on minimalism, comfort, and technology, giving the cabin a truly premium feel. A sleek dashboard with Honda's signature honeycomb air vent design, similar to what we've seen in the Civic and CR-V. High-quality materials throughout the cabin, with soft touch surfaces on the dash and doors. Comfortable cloth upholstery on base trims, while higher trims get premium leather seats. The seats are plush and supportive, ensuring fatigue-free long drives. An expansive trunk with 16.7 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for road trips or family shopping sprees. Honda has managed to strike a perfect balance between luxury and practicality, making the Accord one of the most comfortable midsize sedans you can buy. Technology plays a huge role in modern cars, and the 2025 Accord is no exception. Honda has packed it with cutting-edge features to keep you entertained and connected on every drive. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, standard across all trims. The base trims come with a 7-inch touchscreen, but move up to higher trims, and you get a massive 1.3-inch display with a fast and responsive interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, no more messy cables. The top-tier touring trim includes 6-inch head-up display for vital driving info, 12-speaker Bose premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. No matter which trim you choose, the Accord keeps you connected, entertained, and in control. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Accord gives you two powertrain options, one for traditional enthusiasts and another for those who crave fuel efficiency. 1.5-liter turbocharged engine ELX and SE trims, 192 hp and 192 lb-ft of torque, 0-60 mph in 7.3 seconds. Smooth CVT transmission, perfect for daily driving. 2.0 liters hybrid powertrain Sport, XL, Sport L, and Touring trims, 204 horsepower with two electric motors, 0-60 mph in 6.5 seconds. Instant torque for a sporty driving experience. The hybrid model isn't just fuel efficient, it's quick off the line and feels incredibly smooth. If you're looking to save money at the pump, you'll love these numbers. Hybrid model, 51 mpg city, 48 mpg highway, up to 490 miles per tank. 1.5-liter turbo model, 29 mpg city, 37 mpg highway, achieved 40 mpg in real-world tests. That's efficiency that even some compact cars struggle to match. Safety is non-negotiable, and Honda is known for making some of the safest cars on the road. The 2025 Accord is no exception. 5-star NHTSA safety rating, standard Honda sensing suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition. Whether you're driving solo or with family, the Accord is built to protect you. So, how much does all this cost? Here's the breakdown. ELX $29,390, SE $30,000 plus, Sport Hybrid $32,000, Plus, XL Hybrid 34, 000 Plus, Sport L Hybrid 35, 000 Plus, Touring Hybrid $40,395. If you want the best mix of features, efficiency, and value, the XL Hybrid is the sweet spot. But no matter which one you pick, you're getting an amazing sedan. What do you think about the new Honda Accord? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car reviews only on Crazy Auto Premiere. See you in the next video.